Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to connect Pinterest to YouTube. To do that, open the Pinterest application first and then you will need to get logged in into the account. Now that you have been logged in into the account, you need to go to the profile. Tap on profile on the bottom. Here on this profile, for you to add your YouTube, what you can do is add the website link to the YouTube. So for that, you need to tap on the dotted lines on the top right and there tap on edit public profile. Tap that, and here on this piece at the very bottom you will have the option of website, and on this text box you can link the YouTube link of your channel. You just need to copy the YouTube link of yours and paste it over here, which will link your Pinterest to your YouTube. So for that, open your YouTube account, tap open YouTube. On the search bar, go and type in your YouTube channel name. Tap open your channel, and from here you need to copy the link. You just copy the link of your YouTube channel, tap on copy link. Now you just copy and paste it over here on the website text box with that, and then you need to save these changes as well. Tap on save on the top right corner, tap that. This will update your profile and you will have your YouTube channel name on the page just below your username. All you have to do is tap that and it will direct you to your YouTube channel of yours. So this is a way for how you can connect your Pinterest to YouTube. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.